So ladies, let's style 3 adorable looks with the same base for all body types, and you get to choose your preference. For the first look, starting with a basic white oversized shirt and a baggy blue jeans. Nothing fancy just yet, but hold your horses. Now let's dress these babies up, wearing my favorite blue heels to add an elongating visual to my body by carrying the jeans color all the way to the feet. I always have 3 of the buttons open from below so that the style isn't too boxy or closed up and just a hint of skin shows when you move. I think it's super sexy. Our star of the show is our vest, and we will have to size up at least 2 or 3 sizes, and I will explain you why. Sizing up means more flow and options to play around with different styles, which you will further see as the video progresses. Going with a larger bag or tote balances and enhances the baggy and cool look and vibe we are going for. Now you tell me, isn't this look stylish and comfortable for all body types? There is no need to tuck in, and yet we can be super cool and so in trend. So sizing up here is about flow movement and indication of how cool, and you got this attitude. Now in this next look, I removed the shirt, closed up the vest buttons, creating an elevated look to a tank top. Again, sizing up here gives a comfortable look in those summery days and still looking 100% stylish, and it's all about the vibe, doesn't it? Sizing 2-3 sizes up lets you eat how much ever you want to, still being comfortable and confident. It lets you glide through swiftly through the day, looking chic and stylishly put together. And now the third look. Tuck in the tank on either side of your body, securing it with a belt. Since there aren't any belt loops, tuck the extra belt over, under, and flip the end bit. I kind of like the undercolor of the belt showing. Make sure you stretch your fabric for a good structure, along with making sure the fabric around your girls are secure. Stretch the fabric and stack up your jewelry, wearing the same tote and the same heels, carrying the look forward. And if you've noticed that my belt is towards my side and not in the center, I think this is cool because it just, there's a lot of drama going on in this look. You have the crisscross happening from the way we tucked in. We have the texture of the belt poking through, the twisting of the belt and the undercolor of the belt. I think it's an amazing look. Just the style is very different, and I'm sure people are going to give you lots and lots of compliments. And this is it, my friends. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in my next. Till then, you take care. Bye-bye.